Basketball we're back. Oh man, I'm so happy you guys are working hard, and I'm so happy to hear people are doing well. I didn't know so many people were doing well off of these workouts, so I'm happy to hear that they've been working out for you. And I'm glad you're understanding the consistency of why I keep showing you drill after drill, and they're the same and they look similar, and am I watching the same thing? And yes, you are, but we're doing it at a different rate. We're doing it at a different pace. This is a bar that I've set. We want to raise this bar, but we want to understand what limitations we have first before we raise the bar. Okay? And that is how we're going to do that. So let's get started. And need you to remember this. Are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Can you make plays while you're tired? As a matter of fact, let me put that on the screen for you and let it just fade into your subconscious mind. Are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Can you make plays while you're tired? And are you working the hardest on the floor? Don't forget those key components. Why is it important to do it the way that I'm asking you to do it? Because in the long run, you will be able to match up with someone who you think is more talented than you. But the way you're able to match up with them is because you have worked to a certain point to where you can push their limits and they can't. All right? Now we're working on getting started. We're going to go ahead and go right to attacking. Okay, so when going into attacking, we're looking at how we're going to approach our defender. And in this drill, I have a cone at the top of the key, then I have a cone at the elbow. So it can represent two different things. It can represent the defender actually beating you to the spot and you having to change speeds, or it can represent a help defender coming over and stopping you because you were knocked off of your straight line drive. Okay, so we have all these different moves that we're going to do in this drill. Now we're going to do these moves 5 times each. We got in and out, we got crossover, we got through the legs crossover, we got behind the back, we got in and out, in and out, we got same leg stop with an in and out. We also have stopping and creating separation and then crossing it over. Okay. And then we also have crossing it over, then in and out on your second level of defender. Okay, we're doing all those 5 times today. And we're just working on, again, attacking the basket, finishing the layup. Let's try to elevate and not flip it like me. I was starting to get a little tired, but I was making plays while I was tired. And then I was also missing while I was tired, which is something you're going to do. But the main thing is that you're still working hard and running to stay in shape. Okay, because the better shape you're in, the higher the percentage that shot's going to go in for you. Okay, so no jump shots in this, all layups. Okay. Then after, we're going to start at the baseline. Okay, then we're going to use all our dribble moves from the baseline, going to the elbow and finishing there. Okay, so we're going behind the back, we're going with the hesitation, We're going with the crossover. We're going with everything in your bag, but we're attacking the rim on each thing, okay? So, a couple new moves on the high attack, and then a couple old moves from the baseline attack. Okay, then from there, we're going to go with Mikans. Just in case you've been missing, we got to see that ball go in. So we're going to do a couple of Mikans, okay? Just 10 on each side. Let's go 2 sets. Then we're going to go 5 spot layups, full speed, no moves, and just work on finishing, okay? Work on reverses when you're driving the baseline. Work on reverses when you're driving the wing as well, okay? Those are harder layups to make, but we got to practice them because in the game, sometimes it's going to help us protect the ball away from the defender by using the rim. So we want to use that rim as our best friend, okay? And don't forget to jump stop on some of your layups because that's important as well, all right? What's next, you ask? That's a good question. It's going to be free throws, okay? Because you're a little bit tired. And those legs are going to be burning when you bend down and get that rhythm in that free throw. So please be sure to make 10 free throws right after your workout there with finishing. And then we're going to go grab some water, okay? And while you grab this water, remember, are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Are you working the hardest? And can you make plays while you're tired? I might have mixed it up, but you know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean, all right? So let's get back to it. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to go right into shooting, okay? So now we got the 2-level shooting with the 3 cones, okay? So you're going to work that, all right? We're only going to go 1 set, so you're going to make 2 at each cone, and then you're going to go to the next cone, doing the next move, doing the next set. You're going to incorporate your crossovers in these cone drills and work your footwork there, okay? Remember, you're shooting mid-range and you're shooting the 3. Then we're going to go 3-level shooting. Then after 3-level shooting, which we're only going to do twice on each side, we're going to go into our around the world 3-point shooting. Okay, then after our around the world 3-point shooting, we're going to go into our star drill shooting. All right, so that is what we're going to do. And then for star drill, make sure you make the free throws. You're going to go 3 times through, make the free throw at the end to complete the set. Remember, it doesn't have to make all the shot. You just need to make the free throw. All right, and that is what we're going to do for shooting today. All right, and then free throws at the end of the shooting. Okay, these particular free throws, I want you to go 8 out of 10. Focus, focus, focus. 8 out of 10 isn't easy. Gives you room for error to miss 1 every 4 free throws, right? Okay, so with that being said, we're looking forward to the next workout already, but not before we do conditioning, okay? That's one thing we have to remember. We've got to get our conditioning in. And with conditioning today, what we're going to do is we're going to work our backpedal drill, okay, along with our key-to-key slides. And then we're going to work our slide, turn, run drill, okay, which is going to be effective for you. Every single thing that we're doing today is going to be in 10s. Okay, so 2 sets of 10s in our conditioning. Yeah, it's going to be tough to do, but we will get through it. Don't you worry, all right? And again, I can't thank you guys enough for coming here every single day, trusting that this is going to work for you and work out for you, okay? But remember, the biggest thing that you have to be ready for is going up against that competition where that player is just a little bit more athletic than you are, all right? But we'll be prepared for that. And one thing I do want you to remember, and don't you forget it, someone's always working. Are you?